Welcome back to RealAg Radio here on Rural Radio, Channel 147, Sirius XM. I am Lyndsey Smith. It's time for today's Product Spotlight with Craig Dick with Phospholutions. Craig, how are you doing?
Doing great, Lyndsey.
All right, now we're going to talk today about RhizoSorb. What is it, and why should farmers be using it in the place of traditional MAP or DAP fertilizer?
Yeah, RhizoSorb is our patented phosphate efficiency technology that's built into the fertilizer granule. So it's essentially a next generation MAP DAP fertilizer replacement for your MAP DAP. We're twice as efficient at feeding the plant. Therefore, we can apply less product on a per acre basis, provide that grower an upfront cost savings of around 10% per acre, and then give the same or maybe slightly better yield. And so the average ROI for most growers is in that $20 an acre range, and sometimes we see it a bit higher on some Canadian small grains.
Now, what is RhizoSorb? Is it a biological or is this something else?
Yeah, RhizoSorb is a metal oxide technology. It was developed in the horticulture department at Penn State University. Our founder and CEO, Hunter Swisher, licensed that technology, and our science team has developed that technology into a ready-to-use fertilizer product. And it works really across all soils types, pH ranges. We've done trials in 19 countries, hundreds of trials in the US and Canada.
So, and that's maybe the key point here. Whenever it comes to, a new product or something to try, what testing has Phospholutions done with RhizoSorb to make sure that it works in all those different countries that you mentioned and different crops and soil types?
Yeah, so we have a pretty robust small plot replicated trial, which is hundreds of trials. We also have a very large scale field trial program on corn and soybeans. We've mainly focused that in the US. Last year we started wheat trials, and we have very good data on wheat now. And then we have some on-farm trials in canola, peas, lentils, durum. And again, what we see is the technology works as promised across varying soils types, crops, regions, conditions. So from Brazil to India to Africa to even Canada, we see the performance of the product.
Now, is this something I add, or is this something that when I order that fertilizer, it comes with it? Walk me through the process.
RhizoSorb is a simple change of asking your retailer for RhizoSorb instead of MAP. That will come with a 10% per acre savings. The growers will also then apply slightly less fertilizer than they're used to. So typically with RhizoSorb compared to MAP, you're going to use about a third less overall volume, which for our growers at Seed Row Place, there's huge advantages in being able to plant more per day with less fills. Additionally, it's got a lower salt index. So as you're putting that fertilizer down the seed row, it's much more seed safe.
All right. So saving some time at that critical period, of course, in that seeding season, lower salt index. So we've got that increased seed safety, which is fantastic. So these things are things that I think most growers would be able to hit on as saying, like, this is a huge advantage. And that's before we even really talk about, the ROI and that savings as well. This is the fourth year on the market for RhizoSorb. What has that response been from growers? What do farmers say about using this product?
Yeah, as of last year, we neared over 1 million acres in US and Canada of applied product. And what we find is growers really understand that traditional phosphate like MAP and DAP are inefficient, and they're very expensive. And this week I'm down in Orlando at TFI, getting caught up on all global fertilizer stuff. Unfortunately, with world macroeconomics, that price, we don't expect it to go down in the near future. And so farmers should be trying to find a way to lower their phosphate costs without sacrificing yield, and we believe RhizoSorb helps them do that. And that's what we hear from growers, that they like the cost savings, they like the yield advantage, and they like that it's a simple change. They really don't have to change anything on their farm other than choose a better quality product.
Okay, and great point. On that cost perspective, tell me a bit more about that as far as looking forward. I know that the cost of phosphorus this year is really top of mind for growers.
Yeah, it's top of mind. It's been high for a long time, and globally, China doesn't expect to come back into the marketplace India is able to, their government subsidizes phosphate purchases, which is keeping the global price high. And then just, domestically here in the US, we have limited producers. And so all that adds up to a lot more phosphorus going into batteries and all this new technology and less coming the way of the farmer. And unfortunately, it puts them in a really tough situation where phosphates for many growers are just out of reach.
All right. So for those who want to talk to their retailer, of course, about RhizoSorb, that's the call they make. But what about those that are just looking for more information? Where can they go to learn more about RhizoSorb?
Yeah, they can come to our website, phospholutions.com. On there, we have our performance report where they can see all the data I mentioned earlier. We also have a savings calculator where those growers can go in and put in their acres, their normal application rates, and their local phosphate price and see just how much money they can save on their farm by switching to RhizoSorb. And then, of course, we can certainly connect them to the retailers and distribution network that we have available in Canada.
All right. We do love a good calculator. All right. Craig Dick of Phospholutions, thank you so much for joining me on the show today. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Lyndsey.